Here's this handicap parking piece of crap. That D means it's a derelict and it's going to the crusher. So this guy parked in the handicap, now he's getting his car crushed. Hey there, this is Johnny. We rolled in over here. Just had a call in impound. It's a hot one. Somebody's parking in the wrong spot. There it is. This guy parked here and he was blocking 3 cars from going to work. These people couldn't get out of their parking place, man. Wow. And he's a Lyft driver. Well, it looks like this guy had a fair warning right here and pulled the sticker off of his car. I guess he really should have moved his car.